Hello guys, welcome back to the channel to another sneaker review from my collection that I actually copped last week, okay? And a lot of you guys slept on this one. I don't know why, but we will get into it as soon as possible, yeah? So, first things first, if you haven't watched my other reviews, these are reviews for my entire collection that I keep adding to them, okay? So there's a playlist just showing all my sneaker reviews, so I think there's added value in you to see that. There's some cool tips there, so hopefully there's something you are looking for as well, and I'm here to answer it, okay? By the way, if you have any idea of videos or I don't know sneakers or anything that you want me to talk about, just drop a comment and let's talk about it, and I will do a video on whatever you want, fam, okay? So without further ado, let's go to the sneaker review, yeah, fam? So this is the sneaker that I bring here today, okay? This is the box, and by the box alone maybe you already know which shoe I'm talking about, okay? And by the way, let's just see the details on this box. You have the Jumpman logo right here in blue. You have the cement on this side, yeah. Let me show you the back. The back, it's exactly like this. All the information is in blue. The cement still, it's like a strip that goes through the box, which I think it's pretty cool, okay? The sizing right here, okay, as you can see. So overall the box is pretty solid, okay? So this shoe I will show you, it's this one. By the way, the paper, it's also like cement, okay? If you can see right here, exactly. So let's open the box. Let me take out the first sneaker, and here we go, fam. This is the sneaker that I want to show you, okay? And guys, I'm sorry if you didn't cop this one, but this shoe is, the quality alone already justifies you buying this, but there's history behind it, and as I told you in my other videos, it matters when you have some sort of history into sneakers, and Nike and Jordan sometimes do it good, like how they did it with the Black Toes, how they did it with the 85s, the Breads, right? And now they give us a little bit more, which is the Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts, okay, which is this one. Let me show you the back. You have Air right there. You don't have Nike Air, which I know that a lot of you guys rather have the Nike Air instead of the Jordan Air, but still it's pretty solid, okay? Let me show the other side right here. As you can see, this is a sail sole, okay? It's kind of aged, and this material right here on the box that surrounds all the sneaker, instead of being that elephant print that you are used to on Jordan 3s, it's actually suede, okay? This is all suede all over the shoe. And overall, production issues and usually quality control issues from Nike, you know, it's always present on their sneakers, I'm not gonna lie. But this one in particular, I don't see a lot of flaws. The only flaw that I see here, it's right here on the tongue, okay? I'm not sure if you can see, but there's some black dots right there, which not sure why, but you don't even see that much, so it's pretty solid, right? So the shoe overall, it's great, okay? Let me show you the sole as well, okay, which is, you have this baby blue right here. Not really the university blue, so the young blue, the UNC blue, but it's a blue like a little bit softer. Let me say it like that. It's a little bit softer than the UNC blue. Okay, let me show you the inside. Okay, right here. Let me show you. It's pretty standard. Okay, you already know that Jordan 3s are really comfortable, okay? So this is a no-brainer, to be honest, in my opinion, okay? This is really a no-brainer. Now, the detail that this shoe comes with, and this is part of history, right? It's this one on the thumb. Let me show you if you can see. As you can see, it says Air Jordan XL, and you have 87 to 88, okay? And what this means is you have the size of Michael Jordan Lucky Shorts, which were the shorts that Jordan would wear basically underneath his bull shorts, okay? That's why they call it Lucky Shorts, because of course there's always some superstition in it, but basically if Mike was wearing those shorts, you know that he played better. That's the the idea behind it. But as we know, no, Michael was a great player, and it was not because of the shorts, but still it's a cool reference for this sneaker right here. So the XL means the sizing of Michael's shorts, okay? And 87 and 88, I think it's the season that Michael Jordan started playing with Jordan 3s, and Jordan 3s actually appeared, okay? So correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think it's exactly that, the season and the sizing of the shorts. Still, the shoe is pretty amazing. Let me take out the other shoe. It does not come with extra laces, so keep that in mind if you want to grab this, okay? What you need to also keep in mind is that this shoe is beautiful, okay, and it's perfect for the spring season that is almost upon us finally. Not just spring, but summer as well. You can use this sneaker. It's a white and blue sneaker with the H sole. I know a lot of sneakerheads say, oh no, I don't like the H sole on Jordan 3s. I'm tired of Jordan and Nike doing that. But to be honest, from my view and from my taste, I do like the H sole in most of my sneakers, okay? I think it gives, I don't know, a vintage look to it maybe. It kind of seems that you have a sneaker that has history again, the history part, which is pretty great, okay? One thing that I want to also tell you is that I think I already told you, but it does not come with extra laces. The laces that you have are the white ones, okay, which are pretty cool in the end, okay. I think this shoe with white laces, it looks sick. If you add some sail laces, it will also look sick. If you want to make it pop a little bit, you can get some blue laces, but from my view, I think white and sail would be a good lace to put on these ones, okay? So overall, there's nothing really much to say. I think a lot of people slept on this shoe because, again, a lot of sneakerheads and a lot of you guys back in the day, you have the UNC Jordan 3s, okay, which of course they are not the same, but you already have a blue Jordan 3 basically, and you don't really need a new one. But I kind of disagree. I think this one is definitely different, okay, and it has that reference for Michael Jordan shorts, which is pretty cool. The way I see it, again, as I told you on the Black Toe video that you can see on this playlist, history matters, and it's always nice to have references to sneakers from things that happened to Michael in the past, or that represent something to Michael Jordan and Nike and so on. So I do think that's something you need to start looking at. That it's not just sneakers. Some people, and you know that outside of us, outside of sneakerheads, people will say, oh, you have a lot of sneakers, it looks like you have a lot of feet. You don't, right? You only have 1 feet, so you have 2 foot. And basically, you have a lot of shoes because they mean something to you, at least for me, okay? My collection means something to me, either because I've worked hard to pay for my shoes, either because I wasn't able to get that shoes back in the day and now I am, either because they have history, right? But it's funny that I can pick up a shoe and tell you something about it that means to me, okay? And I think that's basically important. Let me just show you some more details of them together because I don't think you have a really good look. Let me show you again here. Let me rotate, okay? So you can see they are pretty solid, okay? Pretty solid. Let me give you a view on on the heel tab with both. Okay, I think they look quite sick. Overall, this shoe is pretty amazing. And to be honest, this is the perfect spring shoe. Okay, spring summer shoe. You have everything that you need. It's white, and you know that white will never fail you. And basically that's it, guys. So let me just put this right here. And let's come to the rating now. For me, this is a 9 out of 10. Okay. Why, you may ask? I think I've already said enough, but basically I love the Jordan 3 silhouette. It's pretty great. You can see, basically you can wear this shoe with anything. Okay, anything will make you look cool. Basically, you can wear this shoe with denim, with cargo shorts, with cargo pants, anything that you like, because this is white and you have only the details in blue, which I love them. And you also have the edge sole, which I think it gives that perfect touch and makes it a little bit vintage. It kind of makes you go a little bit way back. That's the way I view it, guys. Okay, we can have different opinions, no problem at all. And of course, one thing that I really like about this shoe as well, it's the suede all over. Okay, I think it's pretty cool, the suede that has all over instead of the elephant print. I do have other Jordans, of course. Another pair of Jordan 3s that I really love and I wear them a lot are the Jordan 3 Avery Craft. And they are really cool. The only basically difference from those ones to this one, and I will show you, maybe I will do a comparison so you can have a proper view on them in the next video. But basically the difference for me is that this one has suede, the other one has elephant print, and of course the heel tab is a little bit different, but I will show you in another video soon. So yeah, guys, for me this is a 9 out of 10. Lucky shorts, if they are lucky or not, we don't know. If it gave Michael lucky or not, we don't know. I think no, but again, this is pretty solid, the shoe. So hope you like this review. I really hope that I'm bringing some value to you guys. Don't follow the hype, guys. Don't follow the trends and sneaker trends and buy whatever appears that may be going, and it will going to get some value after. So the resale value will be high. Again, don't just get shoes because you are following a trend. Actually look at those shoes, see if they mean something to you, see if you really like them instead of just following the hype, because hype usually dies within some months, right? You know, Jordan 1s were, oh my god, back in the day. Now Jordan 1s, there's no much people that like them, okay? They are returning, but slowly, but you know, even Dunks, right? You had Dunks that any color that was going to release on Secret it would sell out, right? Now you can buy almost every color, of course, in the Nike website. So that's it, guys. This was another review. See you in the next one.